This is Veo 3.1, and this whole clip came from one sentence. Coming up, the exact workflow, the settings that matter, and prompts you can steal. First, the basic workflow. Describe your shot. One sentence is enough. Pick Veo 3.1 from the model list. Hit Create. We'll fast forward the wait. And that's the clip you saw at the top. Straight from one sentence. Now the good stuff, the settings. The model chip lists every option. Switch models per shot. No extra subscriptions. Aspect ratio. Wide for YouTube. Portrait for shorts and reels. Length. Shorter clips generate faster. Stuck. Suggest writes a prompt for you. Now a totally different style of prompt. Watch the range. Same 3 clicks. Wildly different shot. Tip 1. Describe the sound. Veo generates audio to match your scene. Tip 2. Set the light. Warm stage light, neon glow. It changes everything. Tip 3. Keep motion continuous. One flowing action beats a list of cuts. Veo 3.1 plus every other top video model. $120 plan at Writingmate.ai. Link below.